What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. We got a real video today, not a short. I've been posting like hella shorts, but I haven't posted no real videos in like a good little month and a half. I've just been getting everything situated with the G. Today we're gonna be doing a tune-up on the car. I'm actually already halfway done. I already took one side out, but some people think that doing these tune-ups are hard, and they're really not. So I'm gonna just make this video. It's super loud over there though. The best thing that you can do for yourself is mark your coil plugs. Because it's really easy to twist them around and get them mixed up, and then you'll think the car has a mixed fire, but it really doesn't. It's just that the coils are backwards. So dang, it's about to, I don't want it to rain again, but they're still busy, so I'm probably gonna just do it and then hit you guys when I'm done before it starts back raining again. Alright guys, so we're going to the store right now. I gotta go pick up a couple more things for this job, for the tune-up job that I'm doing on the G right now. As you guys can see, my neighbors were super busy this morning outside, pressure washing the driveway, getting everything cleaned up outside. They was doing it in the rain because it just finished raining over here, like literally like 5-10 minutes before I started. It was just raining. Yeah, everybody busy this morning, pressure washing. It's the weekend, so they're doing their thing, so you guys can hear me earlier. But I am doing a tune up on the G. I'm putting new spark plugs in it. That'll probably be the last thing I do before this most likely will be the last thing I do before the tune. I was supposed to been do this, but I got a lot of other shit I got going on in life, and sometimes the G just has to get put on hold for a little bit. I ain't no rich YouTuber yet. I am gonna be that, but I ain't there yet. But anyways, yeah, the G just had to get put on hold for a couple weeks. It actually really didn't get put on hold, if you want me to be real. It was just certain things that I couldn't show you guys for the past couple weeks that I was doing. But now that those things are done, I can show you guys other stuff on the G. I have been posting like a ton of shorts though. The shorts have been keeping me alive. Oh, I can't wait for y'all to see the tune though. I can't wait. It's gonna be so fun. I raced a tuned Focus ST last night, and I dogged him. I actually dogged him. That was a really fun race. I didn't think he was gonna race me, but he pulled up next to me, and the thing about the race, I didn't get to get it on camera. But the thing about the race is, when we pulled off from the light, all you hear is his tires spinning, so and his turbo. So he's already hitting the gas before me. I hit the gas after I hear that, and he still can't even jump in front of me. I know the Focuses are pretty quick though. I honestly thought he was gonna beat me. I was like, I'm gonna race him anyway, but he probably get me because I knew he was tuned. I could hear it. I can hear everything. I knew he was tuned, so I was like, he probably gonna beat my ass. But just like I raced that 5.0 that beat the shit out of me, I wasn't gonna back down to this nigga either. I knew that this would have been a closer race. I thought he was just gonna pull on me a little bit up top, maybe. Not even. I walked his ass like a dog. I see how when I get to the store. Alright, we're just not leaving autos on. Obviously I can't record in it because they have the music on, so I already knew it. I didn't even take the camera in, but we leaving now. I got my stuff. I got some brake cleaner to clean the cylinders down and just clean up all the little excess stuff that I need to clean off the motor. And I got dielectric grease for the spark plugs because I always put that in there. Gives it a better connection. That's just what I've always done. I'll change it up now. Plus I want this car running like 100% as it can before I get to the tune. You know, I don't want to be. I'm probably gonna try to get the tune within the next 2 weeks, because after I put the new spark plugs and stuff, I don't want to drive it as much knowing that it's running rich. I already got to drive it all the way there. Look how dark it is at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's crazy because it's hot. It's smoking hot. It's very humid, but the sun's covered up. And all that rain that just happened is like dried up already. It's hot as fuck, but still cloudy. Makes no sense. Anyway, that's Florida for you. If you live in Florida, you feel my pain. If you don't, fuck it. Just kidding. If you don't, see you at the house. Alright y'all, so we done with the tune up now. I done put everything back together. I started doing it in the rain. I couldn't have the camera out. It was easy though. Put my dielectric grease in. Clean my cylinders down. I also cleaned the throttle body out. Now we gonna go through with our first startup. Go ahead, bro. Just let it crank. Just let it crank, fool. Stop in the cylinders. Alright, let it go. I spray the carburetor cleaner in the. I spray carburetor cleaner in the and in the throttle body. Loud asshole. Coming out that flagpole. to start subscribing to the channel. I went through my channel analytics. I had over 45,000 new viewers this month, and I don't have 45,000 new subs. Y'all need to start hitting that button. Gonna let her warm up a little bit. Let her set all of that, all of that excess out. The main thing about doing this for some people, because it's easy to get these connectors backwards, is just mark them like I did. I got like a little green marker, a green Sharpie over there, and then I put one dash, and then 2 dashes, and then 3 dashes on the third one. That way, you know where they go at. You know which one it is when you put it back together. It's easier that way. Yay, we're good to go. Just let her run for a little bit longer. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of this video, y'all. Simple video. This should be the last step before the tune now. I'm gonna hit Martin up. I'm trying to get tuned within the next 2 weeks, hopefully, if he has a spot open. And I'll just take a day off and go over there and get it tuned. But we 100% ready to get it tuned now. Y'all need to start subbing to the channel whenever y'all see that button. Click the sub button. On my analytics, I had over 45,000 new viewers within the last 60 days. And I don't have over 45,000 new subs. So if y'all watching, just hit that button. It don't cost you nothing. Help me out. Y'all be hating, y'all be talking so much shit about my little DE, how it's slow. So then sub to the channel. Give me some more clout. Share my shit. Sub, go follow Instagram and everything. Follow my build. And help me get up to where I can do something fast. So I can do a turbo kit or LS swap. All y'all niggas be on here talking shit and don't even be subbing to the channel. Y'all talk so much shit, then help me out. But again, y'all sub, like the video, share the video, comment what y'all want to see next. And then get ready for the tune. I'll see y'all on the next one. Alright y'all, so I decided to take it for a test drive. Anyway, even though I said I wasn't going to, I decided to do it anyway. But here we are. Test driving the Jeep with the new plugs in it. Get some pop action. Smiling over there. I know my alignment is sorry guys. Y'all don't got to keep picking on me about my little alignment. I'm gonna get my alignment done. Hey, get off my dick. Sorry neighbors, but I'm in here with the shits again. At least it ain't 10 o'clock at night. We got a cat running. All right, we are back home. And that's gonna be the first and probably the last drive of the G if I can get the tune done within the next 2 weeks. It's probably gonna be the first and last drive until then. Excuse me. I don't want to ruin these plugs.